Should I stay here till I let go? Good morning. I am making a breakfast. Oatmeal. Yum, yum, yum. I'm actually going to use milk instead of water because I want that buttery flavor. Alright, this is breakfast. Oats, bananas, strawberries with some honey, and then a little bit of nuts. Hearty, delicious. Now let's get ready for work. And then my coffee. Since we are in the fall season, I am going to add some pumpkin seed. Wow, that looks amazing. So this is lunch. Colorful, healthy, and hearty. I'm so excited to try this. A bunch of stuff here. For drink, I am trying this Italian grapefruit soda. Try it and see. So good. Has a good amount of the white wine vinegar. The flavor is well balanced with the fresh carrots, the beans, the bland orzo. So the whole combination with the dressing is so good. Steaming is done and I'm still on lunch. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go ahead and make some coffee, enjoy it for a moment before I go back to work. So I need some caffeine. I'm done with work. Now I do have my Bible study tonight. Because of that, I want to make a quick dinner. So I am going to make some pizza. I got a flatbread that is so good for pizza or some other type of recipe. I'll be using the vodka sauce and then with the mozzarella cheese, tomato, and then I'll be having salad on the side to kind of complete the meal. So I'm actually really hungry right now, and the pizza won't take long just because I'm not putting anything extra. The flatbread is done already, so I'm just really kind of like warming the ingredients together. Really excited. And then the food will be done right in time for me to eat, enjoy a relaxing moment for a bit before the Bible study. So Monday tend to be a bit busy for me just because I do a lot with the meal prep for the week, and then I try to get my laundry done as well. So yeah, overall today has been really quite productive day. I'm very happy. Productive day makes me happy. I'm only going to use one just because I don't like to have pizza as leftovers. So if I want some more this week, I'll go ahead and make another batch. This is the mozzarella cheese. Nicely done. Oops. The sauce is a bit bland in my opinion, so I am going to use this sea salt a little bit. I'll go ahead and put this in the oven. Once this is all done, this is the spinach which I chopped, and this is the basil that will go over the pizza. I'm probably going to put this in the oven for maybe like 9 to 11 minutes, so we shall see. Wow, that looks amazing. This is my side salad. Hot pepper is a must. Alright. Some spinach. And then this is the cilantro. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to add some onions. Some pepper. This looks like an amazing dinner. Yum, yum, yum. I just finished eating dinner and I changed into my comfortable outfit so I can be comfortable for Bible study. I'm going to end the vlog right now so I can have some time for Bible study. And if you're still watching, I want to thank you for your support. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope to see you again next week. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.